I'm sure you are. Many of us find it difficult to learn our mathematical tables. This week we are going to look at how we use our fingers to work out those we don't know. Many of you will know how to work out the 9 times table, but for those of you who may have forgotten, here's a reminder. First, number your fingers 1 to 10. Now let's see how it works. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 36. 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54. 7 9s are 63. 8 9s are 72. 9 9s are 81. And 10 9s are 90. But why does this work? To find the answer to this, we must use algebra. Persian mathematicians first used what we know as algebra around the year 825. They used the word on the screen. It meant the reunion of broken parts and balancing or equally. In one word, algebra. We will start our algebraic explanation by naming the number in the times table n. This shows that there are n minus 1 fingers on the left, each counting 10. There are also 10 minus n fingers on the right, each counting 1. This gives a total of 10 n minus 1 plus 10 minus n. Expanding the brackets gives us 10n minus 10 plus 10 minus n. The minus 10 and the plus 10 cancel out, leaving us 9n, or 9 times the number we started with. I asked the Year 7s which tables they found difficult.
I find the 8 times table hard because I get confused in the middle.
I think the 9 times table.
I find the 7 and 8 times tables because it's confusing.
I find the 7s the most difficult.
For these we can use a different technique. This time we will number the fingers on each hand, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To find the answer to 8 multiplied by 7, put the relevant fingers together. Each finger that is touching or below counts 10, so this gives us 50. Then multiply together the numbers of fingers above left with above right. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Our answer is 56. Let's look at this again with 7 multiplied by 6. This time our 3 lower fingers count 30. For the fingers above, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Our answer is 42. So why does this method work? Again we will use algebra. This time the number on the left hand we will call p and the right hand q. Counting the tens we have p minus 5 on the left and q minus 5 on the right. So we have 10 p minus 5 plus q minus 5. Simplifying inside the bracket, 10 p plus q minus 10. Multiplying out the brackets, 10p plus 10q minus 100. For the fingers above, we have 10 minus p multiplied by 10 minus q. Multiplying out the brackets, 100 minus 10p minus 10q plus pq. The hundreds cancel out. The 10p's cancel out, as do the 10q's, leaving just pq, which is what we started with, p times q. Today we have shown how your fingers can take the work out of your tables. We can also see that in the same way as mathematics explains what happens in the world, algebra explains what happens in mathematics. And on that note, back to the studio.